Open Steam, go to Store, search for PUBG, add to cart, purchase for myself. Now you can add Steam wallet balance through debit card, credit card, net banking. I'm using my debit card. Continue. Agree the terms. You will get the Steam points. This is the debit amount and this is your Steam wallet amount. Continue to Nova Play. Now fill in the details. Continue. Select card type. Fill in your card details. Submit. Now enter the OTP received on your bank registered mobile number. Make payment. And there you go. In this way you can buy any game from Steam. Now install the content. Select location. Next. Agree. And your PUBG will be downloaded, installed and ready for play. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.